Hi, I'm Dr. Mahima Rahman, Ayurveda and CBD expert. So today's video will be discussing about how naturally you can maintain your bone health during your cancer treatment. Cancer treatment including chemotherapy, radiation therapy, hormone therapy and certain medications can have significant effects on your bone health. Let us understand what are the way cancer treatment can impact your bone health. First is chemotherapy induced bone loss. So certain chemotherapy drugs, can particularly hormonal therapies used to treat breast and prostate cancer, can lead to certain amount of bone losses and increase the risk of osteoporosis. Chemotherapy induced bone loss occurs due to hormonal changes, suppression of bone marrow function and disruptions of the bone remodeling processes. Hormone therapies. As I said, hormone therapies used to treat hormone sensitivity cancers such as breast and prostate cancer can cause estrogen or testosterone depletion, leading to accelerated bone loss and increased fracture risk. In the women, the reduction of estrogen levels can mimic the effects of menopause, resulting in bone thinning and osteoporosis. Third is radiation therapy. During radiation therapy, especially when directed at the bones or nearby tissues, can damage bone cells and impair bone remodeling. This can lead to a condition known as radiation induced bone diseases, characterized by reduced bone density, increased fracture risk, and delay healing of bone fractures. Certain use of corticosteroids. Corticosteroids, commonly used to manage inflammation, nausea, and allergic reactions during cancer treatment, can have detrimental effects on bone health. Prolonged use of corticosteroids can lead to osteoporosis, muscle weakness, and increased fracture risk. Reduced physical activity. Cancer treatment, particularly chemotherapy and radiation therapy, can cause severe fatigue, weakness, muscle loss, leading to decreased physical activity levels. Reduced weight bearing activity and muscle strength can contribute to bone loss and increase the risk of fracture. Nutritional deficiency, which is a part of cancer treatment, affects your appetite, digestion, and nutritional absorption, leading to nutritional deficiency that can compromise bone health. Inadequate intake of calcium, vitamin D, magnesium, and other essential nutrients can impair bone formation and maintenance. Increased risk of fractures. Certain cancer treatment can weaken the bones and increase the risk of fractures, particularly the weight bearing bone, such as the hip, spine, and the wrist. Fractures can occur spontaneously as a result of minor trauma due to compromised bone strength. Long term effects. Some effects of cancer treatment on bone health may not become apparently until years or after treatment has ended. To mitigate the effects of cancer treatment on the bone health, healthcare providers may recommend various strategies including bone density testing, calcium and vitamin supplementations, regular weight bearing exercises such as walking, jogging, and strength training, medications such as biphosphonates and denosumab to prevent or treat chemotherapy induced bone loss and osteoporosis. But there are Ayurvedic methods or Ayurvedic remedies which you can improve or involve balancing the body's energies to support the bone metabolism and promote overall well-being. Here are some Ayurvedic strategies to enhance bone health. First one is dietary recommendations. Emphasis foods rich in calcium such as dairy products, milk, yogurt, cheese, leafy greens like spinach, collard greens, almonds, sesame seeds and tofu. Includes food high in vitamin D such as fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, sardines, egg yolks and fortified foods, or you can even consider taking supplementations. Incorporate foods that support digestion and nutritional absorption such as ginger, cumin, coriander and turmeric. Herbal remedies for bone health are also being recommended in Ayurveda. Shadavari, which is asparagus racemosus, is a rejuvenating herb that supports bone health by nourishing bone tissues and promoting calcium absorption. Ashwagandha helps reduce inflammation, support bone density, and improve bone strength. Gugulu contains compounds that support bone metabolism and help maintain bone density. Triphala aids in digestion, detoxification, and absorption of nutrients which are essential for bone health. Cissus quadrangulus or Asti Shringala is also a great potent Ayurvedic herb which have more affinity towards bone health and maintaining bone strength. Third is herbal oils and massages. There are different kinds of oil with the preparations of above herbs and other herbal ingredients which are infused with sesame oil, which can infuse more strength to the muscles and bones as well. Massaging the body with herbal oils such as sesame oil infused with herbs like ashwagandha or bala can help strengthen bones and nourish tissues. Focus on massaging joints and areas prone to stiffness to improve circulation and mobility. Physical activity. Engage in weight bearing exercises such as mild walking, jogging, dancing, resistance training to strengthen bonds and improve bone density. Practice yoga postures that targets the spine, hips and joints to promote flexibility and maintain bone health. Stress reductions. Chronic stress can weaken bones and interfere with bone metabolism. Practice stress reduce techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, and mindfulness to promote relaxation and support bone health. Adequate sleep also plays an important role to repair and regenerate bone tissues. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep each night to support overall health and well-being. Avoiding bone depleting factors. Limit the consumption of foods and beverages that lead to calcium from bones such as carbonated drinks, caffeine, excessive salt, and processed foods. Avoid smoking and excessive alcohol consumption. They are not neither good for your cancer treatment as well as for reducing interference with bone metabolism and increase the risk of osteoporosis. Regular health assessment should also be done. Schedule regular checkups with your healthcare team during your cancer treatment, looking into bone density and other things to avoid further deteriorations of your bone. So these are the simple techniques and remedies which you can follow and as a precautionary method during your cancer treatment. So thanks for watching the video. We at ZenOnco are always there by your side during your cancer journey. Any cancer related query you can inquire with our cancer coaches in the below given number. Thank you.